In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your audio using CapCut. This will add a whole new dimension to your projects, making them more engaging and professional. Whether you're creating content for social media, a podcast, or a personal project, having well-refined audio can make a significant difference. We will explore how you can add special audio effects like echo and reverb to your audio clips using CapCut. These effects can give your content that extra polish it deserves. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open CapCut and have your project ready with the audio clip you'd like to work on. The first thing you want to do is select your audio clip in the timeline. This is crucial because CapCut needs to know which piece of audio you're applying the effects to. Once you've clicked on your audio clip, you'll notice the right panel of CapCut shows various editing options specific to audio. Now, let's move on to finding the perfect effect for your clip. In the right panel, you'll see an option labeled Audio Effects. Click on that, and it will present you with a list of different effects you can apply to your audio. It's a bit like choosing a filter for your photos. Only here, it's all about the sound. Scroll through until you find echo or reverb. These two options are ideal for adding depth and spaciousness to your audio. Echo can create an illusion that your sound is reflecting in a bigger space, while reverb gives it a more ambient feel, often used to add warmth and richness. Once you've chosen between echo or reverb, the next step is adjusting the settings to fit your needs. This part is all about experimentation and listening. The intensity or decay settings allow you to control how much of the effect you want to apply. For instance, a higher intensity or decay might be great for dramatic effects, making your audio sound like it's in a large, cavernous space, which could be effective for certain types of content. But remember, sometimes less is more. So you might want subtlety, just enough to give your audio a professional touch without overpowering the original sound. Throughout this process, keep previewing your audio to ensure it sounds just right. Every project is different, and what works for one might not work for another. Once you're satisfied with how it sounds, you can save your project, and your right, and your newly enhanced audio is good to go. And there you have it. That's how you can easily enhance your audio using CapCut by adding echo or reverb effects. This simple step can greatly elevate the quality of your content, making it more appealing to your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your editing tools.